friends, welcome back. This is Jaya, and through my channel I give simple and easy tips to organize your home. In today's video we are going to see so without wasting our time, let's get started. So friends, hold one end of the saree with your two fingers. Okay, and always remember to keep the border side, the one that comes below. Okay. So hold one of the edge with two fingers, and now you start gathering the rest of this saree together. Just watch me and go to the other end of the saree, and this is the other end. Now we join both the ends together, okay, and hold it again with your fingers. So now I'm using my 3 fingers to hold this. Now we do the same thing, but now this time we have the two saree ends together, and then we go to the other end of the saree. So now this is the other end. Now again you join both the ends together. Now this becomes 4-fold. So first we folded the saree into 2. Now this is 4 folds. Now you have to join both the ends again together. So this becomes 6 folds. Now you join again. Yeah. So now after this, okay, we'll just hold these folds together. Now you fold the saree into half. So we are folding this saree into half. Okay, exactly into half. And now again we fold this back. So this is how you can fold your sarees. So this is a very simple, and I think this is a very common method that most of we Indian women use to fold our sarees. Let us see how to store them. So friends, now that we have folded our saree, I use the saree covers. These are the saree covers easily available on Amazon or in the local market. And now I always keep my blouse along with the saree. So this is the blouse which goes on this saree. So what I do is I usually keep it inside my saree. Just fold it. Yes. So this is how I keep my saree and my blouse in this saree cover. I store all my saree slips in a separate cover, as most of them are used on other sarees too. So this is how you can store your sarees in a saree cover. So friends, today we saw how to fold our sari and store it. I hope this video was helpful to you. For more videos like this every Saturday, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.